In this video, I'll show you how to clear your bash history completely on Ubuntu. First, open your terminal. The bash history is saved in a file called bash_history in your home directory. To erase it, you need to delete this file. Type the command rm/.bash_history and press Enter. This removes the history file from your system. Next, clear the current session's history by typing history, C and pressing Enter. This clears the commands stored in memory for the current terminal session. It's important to do this step so the commands don't get saved again when you close the terminal. After that, close the terminal or type exit to prevent saving new commands. By following these steps, you make sure no previous commands are stored or saved on your system. This can help keep your work private and secure, especially if you share your computer or use a public machine. This is how you clear your bash history completely on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.